The protests we've seen in Decatur over the past year were fueled by the death of Stephen Perkins. The Morgan County District Attorney says former Decatur police officer Mac Marquette was the only officer to fire his weapon the night Perkins was killed. Now Marquette is facing an upcoming murder trial and an ongoing lawsuit. News 19's investigative reporter Dallas Parker joining us live with the latest on the legal front. Dallas.
That's right, Tamika. Former Decatur police officer Mac Marquette remains at the center of all of this. The Decatur Police Review focuses on the aftermath of the Perkins shooting. Marquette was indicted by a grand jury for Perkins' death, arrested and charged with murder in January last year. He was later released on bond, and since then there have been multiple filings in his case. Most recently, a motion claiming he acted in self-defense and the charges against him should be dropped. Now, in that filing, Marquette's attorneys argue he saw Perkins and clearly saw him pointing a weapon at the tow truck driver who was trying to repossess Perkins' truck. Marquette claims he reacted to the threat posed by Perkins in the filing. Attorneys also said Marquette feared for his life and the lives of others. They say he fired his duty weapon to eliminate the threat to himself, his fellow officers, and the tow truck driver. Now, Marquette is still set to go on trial April 7th, but the outcome of his immunity hearing could determine whether the case moves forward. On the federal side, a pending lawsuit filed by Steve Perkins' wife against Marquette, the officers present the night Perkins was killed, the tow truck drivers, and the city of Decatur. In August, the U.S. District Court dismissed the lawsuit against the city of Decatur and all of the named Decatur police officers except Marquette. But the court also gave Perkins' estate a chance to amend its case against the city and the officers. Now the city of Decatur is asking the court to set a deadline for those arguments to be filed. The judge has not yet responded to that request. Now, typically civil cases are placed on hold following the outcome of a criminal case. Marquette will go before a Morgan County judge in March to argue for immunity from prosecution. Now, if the court grants him immunity, finding that he acted in self-defense, the murder charge against him will be dismissed.